Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. Today we have the recipe to prepare an evergreen sweet Gulab Jamun using milk powder. This traditional sweet is popular among the people of all ages. We upload new videos every Saturday. Kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. For the measurements regarding the ingredients, please check the description section. To start with, first I will soak 3 tablespoons of fine semolina in 5 tablespoons of hot water. Then I will add 1.5 cup of full fat milk powder to a sieve. Then in goes 2 tablespoons of plain flour, then I'll add half a teaspoon of baking powder and sift all these 3 dry ingredients to get rid of any lumps. Then I'll add 3 tablespoons of ghee, and I will mix all these ingredients thoroughly. Once ghee has mixed with the dry ingredients, I will add the soaked semolina. I will not be adding any other liquids at this stage. Using gentle finger movements, I will combine all these ingredients to form a dough. If any liquid is needed, I'll drizzle little amount of rose water. This is optional. If you prefer, you can add plain water also. Then I'll drizzle a little amount of cooking oil over the prepared dough. Cover it with a cloth and allow it to rest for 20 minutes. This will ensure that the dough has soaked up all the moisture and is ready for frying. Then I will prepare the sugar syrup. I will take 2 cups of sugar, to which I'll be adding 3 cups of water. Then in goes few crushed green cardamom, few strands of saffron, and a little amount of lemon juice. This will prevent the crystallization of sugar syrup. Once the syrup starts heating, I'll heat it for 5 more minutes, and then I'll start preparing the Gulab Jamuns. The dough has rested thoroughly. To ensure I get the Gulab Jamuns of equal size, I'll scoop up a little amount of dough with a measuring spoon. Then I'll heat up oil. To ensure whether the oil has reached the right temperature, I'll drop a tiny bit of dough. I should be seeing bubbles and the dough should raise up slowly. So if this happens, the oil is ready for frying the jamuns. I'll grease the palm, and on the spot I will roll up the dough into tiny little balls and drop it in the hot oil. Please ensure that the flame should be very low. If not, the jamuns will tend to remain raw inside. So I am ensuring that the crack-free jamuns are prepared on the spot, and I will drop it in the hot oil. So once the jamun has started cooking, it will come to the surface on its own. With the help of a spatula, I'll swirl the oil without disturbing the jamuns. Once they are nicely brown in color, it is the time to take it out from the oil and put it in a strainer so that it drains out thoroughly. I will cool the jamuns to the room temperature. The sugar syrup is hot, not very hot, just hot enough. Then I'll start soaking the jamuns. If the sugar syrup is too hot, the jamuns may get cracked. I'll soak the jamuns for 2 to 3 hours. Just for a little touch of royalty, I'll add a little amount of silver foil and chopped almonds. And this delicious sweet is ready. Just a moment, I'll be showing you the jamuns that I have soaked for around 8 hours. Super soft and super delicious. Thank you for watching this video. Please click the like button, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.